I edited 20 videos last month using AI. Zero editing experience. Each video took 10 minutes. Here's the tool. So I had all this footage from my class project. Phone videos. Some lectures I recorded. Random clips. I had no idea how to edit. Never opened editing software before. My friend spent 6 hours on one video using Premiere Pro. I found this AI tool that does everything automatically. Cuts, captions, transitions, music, all of it. The tool is called Descript. You upload your raw footage. The AI automatically removes silences, adds captions, cuts out filler words like and You can even edit the video by editing text. Just delete words and the video cuts itself. Here's how it works. Step 1. Upload your raw video file. Any format works. Step 2. Descript transcribes everything you said, shows it as text. Step 3. Highlight filler words. Click Remove. They disappear from the video. Step 4. Click Add captions. Done. Step 5. Click Remove silence. AI finds all the dead air and cuts it. Step 6. Export your video. 10 minutes total.
My first video took me 12 minutes because I was learning.
Now I average 9 to 10 minutes per video. No cutting clips manually, no syncing audio, no adding captions one by one. The AI does all the tedious stuff. You just make creative decisions. Pro tips: record in a quiet place. Less background noise equals better auto editing. Speak clearly so the transcription is accurate, and review the final cut before exporting. AI is good but not perfect. Takes 2 minutes to check. Try Descript on your next video. Comment what you're making videos for. Hit subscribe for more AI editing tools. Go edit something. Thanks for watching this one. Like if this saves you time. Share with creators. More AI tools coming soon.